Today we are going to see some different concept called don't care condition. Don't care condition. Okay. Don't care condition means usually for solving equation they will give min terms. They will give min terms, something like this. Okay. And here they have given some additional. In last class we have seen equation. There only min terms are there, and here sigma d is there. Some other terms are there. That means these terms are helping us to reduce these min terms. How we reduce the terms in the ChemApp? We are forming some grouping, and in the group we are applying some formula. That means which is varying, which is not varying, which variable we have to take, just like we are seeing. If two ones or two four ones are not combining, okay, then it is difficult to form a group. In that case, if don't care condition is given, then we can easily reduce the equation. Don't care condition I usually compare with the emergency exit. Okay. In normal day-to-day life, we are not using emergency exit. Normal door we are using, normal gates only we are using. But emergency exit is provided in all the colleges, all the institute, all the industries, everywhere. Okay. In case of emergency, we are using. Okay. Otherwise, we are not using. Just like these don't care conditions are given in the equation, we have to use only for reducing the equation. Okay. And we should not use all the D's. But we have to use all the ones, and we should not use all the D's. We can use the D, don't care, only for reducing these min terms. Okay. I will solve. After that you can easily understand. Okay. Now, just like in the last class, you have to fill these min terms in the cells. 0 is given, therefore you have to fill 1, and 9 is given. This is 4, 5 and 9. This is 9, therefore 9 is given, and 11 is given. This is 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is given, and 15. 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is given. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 ones are there, and I have filled 4 ones. Okay. And here what you have to do is D. You have to fill all these terms by letter D. Okay. 2 is given, therefore 0, 1, 2. Therefore you have to fill D here. And 4 is given, this is 4, therefore 4. Okay. Min term 4 now. Therefore decimal number 4 is for that particular min term. I am filling here. And 5 you have to fill D. And 4, 5, 6 D. And 7 D. Okay. And 8 D. And 8, 9, 10, 11 D. Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 D's we have filled. Okay. 7 D's they have given. 7 D's we filled. Okay. Particularly I have given many D's here and less ones to understand the concept of don't care condition. Okay. See how we have to reduce. We have to go for a grouping of ones. Okay. Here this is the only one, and here there is no one. You have to fill 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Here there is no one. Here there is no one. Here there is no one. But here D's are there. Then I told you you can use D as a substitute for 1. As a substitute for 1. But not necessary to use all the D's. Okay. As a substitute you can use. Okay. Now this 1 and D. This D can be used as a 1. And here also 2 D's. You can go for a pair of this, or you can go for a quad. You can go for a quad. Okay. Now y equal. Now these two ones are also considered as a 1. Okay. These two D's are also considered as a 1. Therefore you can form a quad for this. Now in this quad, here A bar is constant. Therefore you can write A bar. And from this D bar is constant. Therefore A bar, D bar. Only 1 is there. If D is not given, you have to write A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar for this separate one. Okay. Now making use of these D's, you have reduced to 2 variables. Therefore A bar, D bar is there. And here 2 ones are there. and here two D's are there. If these D's are not given, you have to go for a pair only. But due to these D's, you can go for a quad. You can go for a quad. Therefore, if you use that, then A, B bar. Okay, and it is a vertical column. Therefore, all these variables are eliminated. Therefore, A, B bar for this quad. If these are not given, then your variable will be, you have to go for this pair. Okay, then three variable will be there. Okay, and only this one is there. Okay, for this one you can check for a quad, but quad is not possible. You can use either this one or this D. Better to use this one. Okay, therefore use this one. Okay, now it is a pair because quad is not possible for this. Therefore, if you use this, here variable A is there, and for this CD, therefore CD. Okay, and we have to check whether you have used all the ones or not. Now we have used all the ones. This one, this one, this one, and this one. We have used all the ones, and we have not used these D's. Okay, remember, don't use D's unless there is a need. Okay, and these D's are not necessary to use. Okay, that is the don't care condition. Okay, that means these D's should not be used anywhere else. Only these D's and these D's are helping to reduce, and these two D's are helping to reduce these ones. Okay, got it? This is the don't care condition concept. They will give equation like this, and you have to apply here, and you have to write a equation like this, simplified form. Thank you.